big stingray. As soon as Tony scratched and got over the wave, came right underneath of it. It would have been pretty sick to do a board transfer from your board to a stingray though. Like, that's pretty fucking legendary, man. Solomon. Hola, amigo. Oh, ¿cómo está?
Bien.
¿Bien? ¿Bien? Sí. Welcome home. Guess who's back? Back at Casa Delas Solas. Da, 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 da. Oh. Home. Home sweet home. It's a trek to get out here. And once you're here, it's a magical place. Surf coming in. They're doing a phenomenal job cleaning up. I can't believe how big my pear cactuses are. These things are huge. Oh my God, that's crazy. Mop. These things are huge. Look at the size of my pear cactuses. That's awesome. My agaves, coconut palms. I've got a bunch of garden stuff we got to do. Piece of my eaves trough. Put that back up. There's always a ton of stuff to do. I should actually reseal these tables. All my birds along here are growing really well. Snake plants, all this stuff's coming in. This will be good. This is starting to fill in nicely. And then we have our well. That's an artesian well right there. That's kind of brackish water, which is good. So we filter back and forth, and I'm gonna do a bunch more with that and getting more soil in here. We've got these Paracantera stones, and we're gonna put the walkway back in, a border around it, and a border all the way down around these plants and those coconut palms, and then fill the whole thing in with soil and get everything growing really well. And then the plan for out front right here in this little bit of a thing is to put the pool in. I really want, we're trying to figure out how to get the pool guys down here and do all three of ours at the same time. Paul has a pool next door, but we're trying to do it so we all do it at the same time. Just more cost effective that way when you're out this far and you've got to have people come here and materials delivered. So we want to be able to do right here, so then coming right off the master bedroom right out into the pool here, and then you're just sitting chilling in the pool looking at the water and Yeah, it's pretty rad. It's crazy when you come back and you haven't been here for a little bit. It's like a whole new place and a whole new world again, but it's pretty awesome. So we are going to throw the groceries in the fridge, and then we are going to go out and get into the ocean.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Hey, look everybody, it's my neighbor Tony. Hi, buddy. What's up, bro?
The only thing is that I gotta tell.
You'll be in your bodega. You can do whatever you want. The water temp is perfect. Not just warm. Hey, yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, dude. Woo! Yeah, he's out there somewhere. We just saw him flopping around. Big stingray. As soon as Tony scratched and got over the wave, came right underneath of him. I saw it from the other side because I was sitting inside after I caught that wave. I wish I had the camera on it. That was so rad. But apparently there's a few of them now. It would have been pretty sick to do a board transfer from your board to a stingray though. Like, that was pretty fucking legendary, man.